Hi, this is Hilal. In this video on mathematical economics series, we will try to solve a numerical that was asked in DSE paper of 2018. The question is like this. A monopolist faces a demand function that is dp is equal to a minus p, and cost function is given as cq, where p is the price and q is the quantity. She can advertise her product to increase demand. Advertising level theta costs him theta square divided by 2. Okay, and it shifts the demand function by theta. Obviously it will shift the demand function when we have the advertisement, and our new demand function becomes that is a plus theta minus p, that is ordinal demand plus this theta. The monopolist's profit is, we have to find the monopolist's profit. The options are a minus c whole square divided by 4, a minus c whole square divided by 2, a minus c minus theta whole square divided by 4, and last option is a minus theta. Okay, so we will see what is the correct option. For that, what will we need? First, we will see what is our profit maximization condition for monopolist. Here profit maximizing condition, that is profit maximizing condition is that our profit function, that is d pi by dq, should be equal to 0. This is first condition. Okay, and second condition is that d pi divided by dq, d theta should be equal to 0. Okay, these two conditions should be satisfied in finding the monopolist's profit. What is the first this very condition? It is simply what we write, that our marginal revenue should be equal to marginal cost. And what does this new d pi by d theta means? It simply means how much our profit change with change in the value of theta, which is the shift in the demand. Okay, by theta here what is here. So here it is related to the advertisement, and here it simply says that our marginal cost with advertisement, okay, should be equal to marginal cost without advertisement. I will write it as a dash. Okay, so these are the two first order conditions which must be satisfied. Okay, so we are interested with this new demand function then. Okay, which is, I can write it like this: q is equal to a plus theta minus p, and solve for p to get the inverse demand function. So transposing this p on LHS, this q on RHS, this will become p is equal to a plus theta minus q. This is our inverse demand function. Total revenue, as we know, is equal to price into quantity. Our price function is this a plus theta minus q. Okay, and to this we multiply q. That means this is aq plus theta q minus q square. This is our total revenue. Okay, now what is our total cost? Total cost is the original cost, that is the cost without advertisement, plus this cost theta square divided by 2, which is incurred by advertisement. So our total cost would be the aggregate of original plus this theta square, that is cq plus theta square divided by 2. Okay, and what is the profit? Profit, as we know, is equal to total revenue minus total cost. This is the profit function. What is our total revenue? Total revenue is this very function. I will write here, which is equal to total revenue is equal to aq plus theta q minus q square. To this we subtract the total cost, that is minus, what is our total cost? That is cq plus theta square divided by 2. Or I can write it like this: aq plus theta q minus q square minus cq minus theta square divided by 2. This is our profit function. Okay, so what is the profit maximizing condition? As I have told you here, profit maximizing condition is that we differentiate the profit function with respect to q and set it equal to 0, that is d pi divided by dq. Okay, what it is? So partially differentiating this profit function with respect to q, derivative of q is 1 here, so we get here a. Derivative of q is here also 1, so we will get theta, minus derivative of q square is 2q. Okay, I have told you in earlier videos how do we differentiate. Okay, minus here the derivative of q is 1 obviously, so we get here c, and derivative of this theta square divided by 2 is 0 here, because we are differentiating with respect to quantity and it is assumed here constant, so it is 0 here, and we set it equal to 0. This is the first order condition. Okay, one condition. And second condition is our d pi, that is d pi divided by dq. What is our d pi divided by dq? That is, we differentiate this profit function this time with with respect to theta. Okay, which is related to the advertisement. So here we can see no theta is involved, so derivative is 0. Here theta is involved, the derivative of theta is 1, so we get here q. Okay, no theta is involved, here no theta is involved, here theta is involved, derivative of theta square is equal to 2 theta. As we know, theta square is equal to 2 theta. This 2 becomes the coefficient here, and this power is subtracted by 1. Okay, so this will become here minus 2 theta divided by 2, and 2 and 2 will get cancelled, which is equal to 0, which implies our q minus theta is equal to 0, which implies theta is equal, so I will write here, which implies theta is equal to q. Okay, now what will we do? We will put the value of theta in this equation. I will write here, let this be equation first. I will write here, let this be equation first. Okay, we put the value of theta is equal to q in this equation, so this will become, I will write here, put in first. Okay, so we have here a plus the value of theta is equal to q. I will write here q minus 2q, so I will write here 2q minus c is equal to 0. Okay, or we can write here a, now q minus 2q is equal to q, a minus q minus c is equal to 0, which implies our q is equal to, we will transpose this q is equal to a minus c. Okay, so our q is equal to a minus c. Remember here theta is equal to q and q in turn is equal to a minus c. So we will use these two things to find the profit. Okay, now what would be our monopolist's profit? That is equal to, what is our total revenue? This is our profit function, so we will put the value of theta and q in this equation. Okay, so we have a, I will write here a, and in place of q we have a minus c. I will write here a minus c. Okay, let me rub this out here. Okay, after that we have plus theta is equal to q, as I have told, so I will write here q, and the value of q is a minus c. I will write a minus c minus q square. Q square means a minus c whole square, a minus c whole square. Okay, then we have minus c and we have q is a minus c. I will write here a minus c, and we have then minus theta. Theta is equal to q, that means q is equal to a minus c, which implies theta square is equal to a minus c whole square divided by 2. Okay, so we will solve this. So this is a minus c plus q, sorry, our the value of q was the value of q theta was q, and q in turn was equal to a minus c. So here it is a minus c again, a minus c. Okay, now a minus c and a minus c is equal to a minus c whole square. Then we have a minus c whole square again, minus c, a minus c minus a minus c whole square divided by 2. Okay, this a minus c gets cancelled, so we have a minus c minus c, a minus c minus a minus c whole square divided by 2. Here what we can do, we can factor these a minus c out in these two terms. So we have a minus c, then we have a minus c, and then we have this a minus c whole square divided by 2, and a minus c into a minus c is a minus c whole square, minus we have a minus c whole square divided by 2. Solving this, so this is 2 cross multiplying, so I will write here we have 2 a minus c whole square minus a minus c whole square divided by 2. Now since these two terms are same, we can subtract them. Now twice a minus c whole square, from that we subtract a minus c whole square, so we will get a minus c whole square divided by 2. Okay, that means a profit, monopolist's profit would be equal to a minus c whole square divided by 2. So the correct option would be second option. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.